Recently, YouTube just announced YouTube will pay 100 million to people who make popular videos for its TikTok competitor. So YouTube has a new features which is shorts, right? So this is a short and YouTube is currently competing. As you can see here, YouTube is launching a fund to pay its most popular users on its shorts product, which aim to compete with popular video app TikTok. So the interesting thing about this news is that whenever you produce a short videos, YouTube is kind of like going to boost your videos more. All right, so chances are to get a lot of views is very possible and very easy, because as you can tell, YouTube is currently competing with its competitor, which is TikTok, right? So guys, if you want to discover what type of videos can generate a lot of views on YouTube Shorts, stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know in order to make money with YouTube Shorts. So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online ideas, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And consider smash the like button down below if you could find some value throughout this video. Alright, so let's jump into it. So this is short videos on YouTube, right? So if you type in short, hashtag short, you're going to be able to discover all this video. So just take a look at each and every one of this video. So the purpose of making this session is I want to share with you what type of videos are currently exploding on YouTube Shorts. So let's take a look at each and every one of these. So this video guys, this is Mom Not Smart, right? So just uploaded 2 days ago and it has 3.8 millions of views. This is insane amount of views, guys. And take a look at the length of the video. It's only 36 seconds. Okay, so take a look at this one, Subway or 1 million shorts. So uploaded 1 days ago, almost half a million of views. And this one only uploaded 12 hours ago, 34,000 views already. So if you take a look at each and every one of this video, this is all the videos, like the random videos, right? Random videos, which is, I'm pretty sure everyone can do it. You and me also can do this such of videos. Okay, so take a look at this one over here, bro. I don't know what is this video is all about, but it's getting 6.8 millions of views, guys. Only uploaded 4 days ago. So this is actually the type of videos that you can stand a chance to win this 100 million. You probably not be able to win all of them, but at least if you can get like chunk portion of this 100 million, is going to be a lot of money already, guys. And stay with me until the end, because I also going to share with you, if you are not be able to win this money, you still will be able to monetize your YouTube Shorts with the hack that I'm about to reveal to you just a minute, right? So be sure to stick around. If you scroll over down below, you're going to be able to see a lot more videos, right? Just take a look at this one. Okay, 10 million views, only uploaded 2 days ago. Okay, let's play this one really quick.
Incorrect password. Incorrect password.
So this is very simple videos. As you can see, the thing is, you just need to make like some kind of funny videos, and then people going to watch and laugh. And if you take a look at the engagement here, take a look at the likes, 329 likes. That is insane amounts of like, right? By only filming 20 seconds of videos. And take a look at the props here. I'm pretty sure you and me, I also can do even better than the prop over here, right? You just simply take a cupboard and then do some ATM machine kind of stuff, and then start to generate 10 million of views. Okay, that is insane, guys. Take a look at the comments. So this type of engagement is really huge on YouTube, because YouTube is going to help you to boost your videos even further if you have this much engagement. Okay, so guys, that is the idea. Okay, so I just want to show you a couple more ideas. Okay, take a look at this one, guys. So this is very insane.
Dollar Tree.
This is candy,
It
guys.
did not disappoint. It pops just like a pimple. It is so satisfying. I recommend
Oh
for
my
you.
god. So as you can see, this is just a person popping up the candy, a couple of candies, and yet 2.5 million views. Just uploaded a couple of days ago. Okay, there's another one over here. So this guy is playing the basketball.
Wbijemy 1 milion followersów na TikToku. Tak niewiele brakuje. Błagam, proszę. Proszę, proszę.
just like that.
Tutaj plusik czerwony,
Alright,
szybko! Czy mam w sypialni
that's
zabawkę?
all. Okay, so even though I don't understand what he is talking about, but you got the idea, right? So this is just a person playing basketball, and it doesn't matter whether you are good at it, but what you can do is just simply posting a random video like that, right? So like the one that I showed you over here. So this is all the random videos. This is a guy, I think he's working on the subway, right? So he is filming his video working, and then just type in something like I save a homeless man, you know, and stuff like that, and yet 284,000 of views, only uploaded a day ago. Okay, so how you can actually monetize. Okay, before we go through how to monetize your YouTube shorts, I want to give you some key elements, right, in order to explode on YouTube shorts. So it's all related to emotion, guys. Okay, so number one emotion that you want to attract is you want to promote, or you want to create any video that related to funny. Okay, so because YouTube shorts mainly, the video on YouTube short mainly like a very simple video whereby people want to release their attention and people want to see something funny, like this one over here, right? So, and maybe you can get like a prank video, something like that, right? So something very funny. And the key here, the video needs to have emotion. Okay, emotion. Okay, the video needs to relate it to any emotion. So number one is funny. Number two, maybe you can make something that maybe sad. All right, sad video, or maybe a scared video, right? Something scared, maybe a ghost video, something like that. By the way, it just like 16-second long. It doesn't need the rocket science to create a video, right? So you can simply record with your mobile phone, and then that's all. And number three is prank videos, right? So prank videos is also very popular on YouTube. Okay, so you can make a very funny and prank videos. Maybe you prank your sibling, or maybe you prank your friends and something like that. So this type of videos is actually going to explode on YouTube short very rapidly. Okay, so this is actually the key in order to success on YouTube shorts. As you can see here, all this video, at least they related to funny, they related to, you know, this one is magic. Okay, so if you are really good on magic, you can also crushing it on YouTube by doing magic stuff. Okay, so that is the idea on how to exploding on YouTube short. So now I'm going to share with you how you can monetize YouTube short. So at least at the time of filming this video, YouTube still doesn't enable the ads revenue on YouTube shorts. Means that you won't be able to run ads on YouTube shorts. Okay, so I don't know what's going to happen down the road, but at least at the time of filming this video, it still not be able to running any ads. Okay, so what you can do instead is you can make money with affiliate marketing. All right, so what you can do is, for example, like there are so many affiliate networks out there, and one of the biggest one would be clickbank.com. So clickbank particularly only providing a digital product. So if you are interested to sell a digital product, you can go to clickbank.com. You can sign up for literally free. There's no investment needed or whatsoever. So for example, what type of offer that you can promote? For example, the one that I showed you here. So this one is related to basketball, right? So what you can do is you can have an offer. You can find an offer that related to basketball. You just go to Clickbank Marketplace, click on the marketplace, and then you can type in a vertical jump, right? So this is actually the product that focuses on how to jump higher. Okay, how to play basketball and how to train the prospect or the audience to jump higher. So take a look at this this offer over here. So still can dunk, then read on the this one over here. Okay, discover the secret to unlock your jumping potential. So this is actually something that related to basketball. Okay, so take a look at the picture. It is related to basketball. Okay, so what you can do is you can go sign up with clickbank.com, and then I have signed up, I have logged in. What you can do next is find the related offer on Clickbank and related to, of course, your videos, and then I'm going to click promote. It's very simple, and then generate hot links, and then copy the hot links. And what you can do is once you post your videos, you can put your affiliate link underneath of your videos, right, which is on your description box down below here, right? So when people click on your videos and you might want to, you might want to put some text on your video as well. Maybe you say like, if you want to learn how to jump higher, you want to learn how to play basketball, check the link in the description. So when people click on the link and then they purchase, you're going to get a percentage of the commissions. And most of the product on ClickBank, they're going to pay you up to 75% of the commission. Okay, so it's very very lucrative business model. Okay, so for example, for this product over here, you're gonna get $17 every time people purchase from your affiliate link. So that's number one. And this is number two, which is maybe you don't have any idea how to monetize this product, right? So if you take a look at this one, maybe it's
Get your
related
hands on a
to
color.
I guess at least it related to
It did not
some sort of
disappoint. It pops just
cake
like
or baking or something like that, right? So what you can do is there's another affiliate marketplace which is called Skillshare, right? Skillshare.com. So what you can do is head off to Skillshare. You can sign up. It is 100% free. And if you scroll down below until the bottom, and you can see the affiliates, okay? Simply click on the affiliates. So you can actually find a course that related to baking on Skillshare, okay? But first off, I want to share with you how it works first. So just take a look at how does Skillshare affiliate program works. Skillshare affiliates can earn $7 in commission for each new customer that sign up for a premium membership or free trial membership. Means that your customer don't even need to purchase for the premium membership, but once they sign up, you're going to be able to get a percentage of commission, which is $7 for each customer. So how cool is that, guys? So you don't even need to sell, but once people sign up for the free trial, you're going to be able to get $7 in commission. So what you can do next is just type in like maybe baking. Okay, let's type in baking. And then you're going to be able to see a product that related to baking here. Okay, so just take a look at this one, guys. So this particular product, this is actually a course, maybe it's a video course teaching people how to bake, right? So 6,000 already. This one is 600, almost 400, 200 student, and etc. And this one almost 1,000 student. Okay, so what you can do is you can do the exact same thing that I taught you before. What you can do, grab your affiliate links on Skillshare and go back to the videos. Okay, so simply put your affiliate link down below in the description over here, and then you're going to be able to make a lot of commission. Just take a look at how many views that you can get, guys. So this is 2.5 millions of views. So just imagine if you could convert 1% out of these 2 million views, you're going to be able to make a lot of money already. Okay, so guys, that is how you're going to be able to monetize your YouTube Shorts. So since we are still not be able to monetize YouTube Short with the ads revenue, so this is the way that you can monetize with YouTube Shorts. So guys, I hope you got some value throughout this sharing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. I hope you're going to take action, and please comment down below what is your takes away in this video. And don't forget to smash the like button as well if you could find some value throughout this sharing. So guys, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.